Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best Linux distributions for beginners. In this video, we will explore the top choices for newcomers to Linux, focusing on stability, ease of use, and community support. It's important to avoid choosing distributions that lack a solid background, such as new or small projects or derivatives of main distributions. Always opt for a main distribution rather than a derivative to ensure you get the best support, reliability, and long-term sustainability. Let's dive in. Our top pick for beginners is Debian 12, also known as Bookworm. Debian is one of the oldest and most respected Linux distributions, known for its stability and reliability. Debian 12 continues this legacy with a user-friendly installation process and an intuitive interface that makes it easy for new users to get started. Its vast repository of software packages ensures you have access to everything you need, and the strong community support provides extensive documentation and help forums. Debian is renowned for its rock-solid stability, making it an ideal choice for those who need a dependable system. The installation process is straightforward, and the default GNOME desktop environment is intuitive. Debian's community is active and supportive, offering extensive documentation and help forums. Next on our list is Linux Mint, which has gained immense popularity for its user-friendly approach. Based on Ubuntu, Linux Mint is particularly well-suited for users transitioning from Windows thanks to its familiar interface and comprehensive customization options. The Cinnamon desktop environment is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, while also offering a range of personalization features. Moreover, the Linux Mint community is known for its commitment to the principles of open-source software. Linux Mint is ideal for Windows users, with a familiar and easy-to-use interface. The Cinnamon desktop environment allows extensive personalization. The community is committed to the open-source philosophy. openSUSE Leap is another excellent choice for beginners, particularly those looking for a stable and reliable system. Leap follows a traditional release cycle, ensuring that users receive well-tested and stable software. One of the standout features of openSUSE is YAST, a powerful system administration tool that simplifies complex tasks, making it easier for new users to manage their system. The traditional release cycle ensures well-tested and stable software. YAST is a powerful tool that simplifies system management tasks. A strong community offering excellent support and resources. While Fedora and Ubuntu are popular choices, they come with certain controversies that make them less ideal for beginners seeking a pure open-source experience. Fedora, backed by Red Hat, has been criticized for its corporate influence and potential conflicts with open-source principles. Ubuntu, on the other hand, has faced backlash for its decision to promote Snap packages and the Snap Store, which some users feel undermines the open-source ethos by centralizing control. Choosing the right Linux distribution can greatly enhance your experience as a new user. Debian 12, Linux Mint, and openSUSE Leap offer excellent starting points, each with their unique strengths. Debian 12 stands out for its stability and ease of use, Linux Mint for its user-friendly interface and customization, and openSUSE Leap for its powerful tools and stable release model. Avoiding Fedora and Ubuntu helps ensure a commitment to the open-source philosophy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.